Welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors YouTube channel. If you're involved in running a company or thinking about starting one, you've likely heard the term Articles of Association. But do you know how to amend them? That's what we're going to explore today. Stick around to find out exactly how you can amend your company's articles and why it might be a good idea to do so. Let's start with the basics. What are the Articles of Association? They are the rules and guidelines that govern how your company operates. Think of them as the company's rule book. They cover everything from the company's objectives to how meetings are conducted, how decisions are made, and how shares are transferred. Every company, whether it's private or public, needs a set of articles. And here's the thing, just like any other set of rules, they can be amended. But when should you amend them? Well, it could be for any number of reasons. A change in the company's objectives, a shift in how shares are distributed, or maybe you want to update your company structure to reflect new laws or practices. So how do you actually go about amending them? Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Review the current articles. Before you change anything, it's important to understand what's in the articles right now. Read through them carefully and highlight any clauses you believe need updating or revising. Step 2. Hold a board meeting. You can't make changes to the articles without involving the company's directors. A board meeting needs to be called, and all directors should discuss and agree on the proposed amendments. Step 3. Shareholder approval. In many cases, amending the articles requires approval from the shareholders. This typically means passing a special resolution. A special resolution requires at least 75% of the votes from the shareholders who are eligible to vote. Step 4. File the changes. Once you have the board's approval and the shareholders' consent, you must file the amended articles with Companies House. The filing must include the special resolution that was passed by the shareholders. And finally, Step 5. Update your records. After the filing, make sure your internal records are updated with the new articles. You should also inform your shareholders and directors about the changes. Now you might be thinking, is it that simple? Well, yes and no. While the process is straightforward, it's important to make sure you're not overlooking anything. For example, if your company has multiple shareholders or a complex structure, it's vital to carefully consider how the amendments could affect everyone involved. And here's where Blackstone Solicitors comes in. If you're not entirely sure about the process or the legal implications of amending your articles, we're here to help. We'll make sure everything's done properly and that the amendments are in line with the Companies Act 2006, the law that governs company law in the UK. In conclusion, amending your company's Articles of Association is a crucial process that helps ensure your company remains flexible, up-to-date, and legally sound. Whether you're changing a few clauses or overhauling your entire rulebook, make sure to get the right legal advice. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal tips. And as always, feel free to get in touch with Blackstone Solicitors if you need any assistance with amending your Articles of Association or with any other legal matters.